What's up guys, my name is Shana-Kay. Welcome back to my channel. I had a request made to me about a makeup look that I wore to my nephew's graduation on Sunday, and so I decided that I would film that for you guys today. I'm going to be using the Proceed with Caution eyeshadow palette, and this one is the COLOURPOP x SHAYLA or SHAYLA x COLOURPOP collaboration. It has some very gorgeous colors in there. I've been wearing this palette a lot, to be honest. This palette has like very warm tones and it has glitters and all that good stuff in there, which I really like, and it's easy for you to just do a eye makeup look and just go out the door. So I'm starting off with concealer as my eye makeup base. The concealer that I'm using is ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this one is in the color. Setting that with the powder, and I add a very light base because you want the eyeshadows to pop. Alright, so the first color I'm going to be using, this one is called Maintenance. This one, and I'm going to use it in the crease. And this was a very easy eye makeup look, to be honest. It was not hard at all. I didn't put any effort into it whatsoever, to be honest. Alright, so I have hooded eyes, and hooded eyes is when you have like the flesh coming down on the lid. So like my eyes are like this, you can hardly see the lid. In order to cut the crease, take the concealer again, and I'm going to create like a half, pretty much a half cut crease. Alright, so I'm just going to deepen a little bit the outer corner with the same Maintenance shade. Now I'm going to take the Warning, and Warning is this color. Spray my brush with setting spray. Next, I'm going in with gloves on, and I usually use gloves on right along the lash line. Next, I'm going to be adding some lashes. So I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm just going to speed through this because you guys have seen me do this like a million times. And honestly, this is my favorite foundation. I have not been using any other foundation either, but this is really my favorite foundation. I'm going to have to try to get another bottle. Next up, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer, and this one is in 410. Then I'm going to add a brighter concealer, just a little over that one, and this one is the Golden ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this one is in the color 40. So I'm just going to tap a little in between. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty match stick, and this is espresso for contour. And I like to blend that out with the brush that I use for my foundation. Next, I'm going back in, with my SACHA Buttercup setting powder. Then, in order to set my under eyes, like I really want them to stay, I'm just going to take a little bit of the powder. I'm just going to leave it under there for a few minutes until I'm finished with my under eye. Now I'm just going to take a bit of the powder and chisel the contour out. And while that's going, I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark, and I'm just going to set my contour, or brighten it up, warming up the face. Final or almost final step is I'm taking my Proceed with Caution. It's a blush, and I really like it because it's very like toned down, like neutral. And I don't know if you noticed that in that makeup look I was not wearing any highlight, so I'm still sticking with that. Just going to use my mascara and apply a little to the bottom lid. That lash looked a little bit crooked, but it's whatever right now. My lip product, I'm taking my NYX pencil, and this is Hot Cocoa, to line my lips. Then I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is Amber Lip Gloss. I think they have this in a bigger size. I remember getting this like a couple years ago, and honestly I need to get it in a bigger size, but I have not gotten around to doing that. Slow Down. This is the final makeup look, guys. I absolutely love the way how it turned out. I keep looking at my face like, oh my god, you did that. You did that, and it looks good. The colors just bring light to the eyes, and the lips, perfect. The makeup, perfect. Matte. And I noticed that I tend to not do matte makeup looks very often these days, which if I'm to be honest, I'm kind of living for a matte look right now, especially in this heat, because today it is currently 85 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and trust me, it's hot. That's hot. So it's kind of been like that since summer, where it has been ridiculously hot. But I'm here for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs me up, hit that notification bell, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.